Good morning, grade 4 North.
Good morning, madam.
How are you?
We are fine, thank you, madam.
Are you fine?
Yes.
Hi, let us sit down. We want to start our lesson. So it is time for mathematics. Time for
Mathematics.
today. We are going to learn about even numbers. Can you say even numbers?
Even numbers.
Everybody?
Even numbers.
So have you ever heard of even numbers before? In grade 3, have you ever learned about the word even numbers?
No.
You don't know anything about even numbers, eh? So today we want to know even numbers. So if somebody says even number, can you say even number?
Even number.
It means it is a number that 2 is divisible by 2. Can you say an even number?
An even number
Is a number that is divisible by 2.
is a number that is divisible.
So if you have a number, then you divide that number by 2, there is no remainder. It means that number is even. But if you divide that number by 2, then you get a remainder, maybe remainder 1. That number is not even. It is not
Even.
So for example, when you have a number like 10, which number is this?
10.
We want to see whether 10 is an even number or not. What are we going to do? You take 10, you say 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2. So it means here 2 represents the number of children. You are having 2 children. How many fruits are these? 10 fruits. So we want to divide the 10 fruits among 2 children. Can we count very fast? 1, everybody?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
The fruits are over. Zimeisha, no? So how many does one child get?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The other child?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So when you divide 10 by 2, it means it is 5. One child gets 5, another child gets 5, and all the fruits are over. So when you say 10 divided by 2 is equals to 5, there is no remainder. There is no remainder. So we say 10 is an even number. Can you say 10 is an even number?
10 is an even number.
Because when you divide 10 by 2, there is no remainder. There is no
Remainder.
Let us look at another example like 8. We want to check whether 8 is an even number. Can you say even number?
Even number.
So if you want to know that 8 is an even number, I said you divide by 2. Any number that is divisible by 2 without a remainder. So you are going to say 8 divided by 2. Then you draw your 2 children like that. Start giving them the 8 fruits. Let's give them the 8 fruits, everybody.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Is there any remainder?
No.
There is no remainder. So one child is getting 4 fruits, the other child gets 4 fruits, and all the fruits are finished. So we are going to say that 8 is an even number. 8 is an even number. Then we have another number. We have another number like, which number is this?
5.
Which number is this?
5.
Let us check if 5 is an even number. What are we going to do? What are we going to do to know if 5 is an even number? What are we going to do? You got up your hand. What are we going to do? Salman? Very good. We divide 5 by 2. We say 5 divided by 2. Then draw your 2 children like that. Give them the 5 fruits. Let us give them the fruits.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 is an even number?
No.
Why? Because one child has got how many fruits? 3. The other one is having 2. So it means you are going to give them each 2 fruits, then you remain with 1. So if you have a remainder, it means that number is not even. It is not even. So we shall say 5 is not an even number. 5 is not an even number because when you divide it by 2, 1 is remaining. 1 is remaining. Another example here. Who will come and do for us this one? To test whether 6 is an even number or not. Yes, Abdimali, come. Finish. Write 6. Has he gotten it? Yes. Can you clap for him? Clap for him. So you divide 6 by 2. Every child is getting 3, 3. There is no remainder. We say 6 is an even number. And now this time round, I want a girl. Let us check whether she has gotten it right. She's saying that 9 is not an even number. She's saying 9 is not an even number. She divides 9 by 2. Every child, one child is getting 4 fruits. The other child is getting 4 fruits. It means every child will get 4 fruits. Then we remain with the 1. 1 is a remainder. Then she says 9 is not an even number. Has she gotten it right? Yes. Let us clap for her also. Clap for her. Good. So I want us now to write the following example. Then I give you an exercise.